Click on the link below to get price. The Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is a powerful solution for those struggling with humidity issues in spaces up to 960 square feet, such as basements or bathrooms. With a robust 63 pint capacity, it efficiently extracts excess moisture, creating a more comfortable and healthier environment. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its smart technology integration. Equipped with an intelligent humidity sensor, it automatically adjusts the operation based on the current humidity level, ensuring optimal performance without unnecessary energy consumption. The user-friendly LED display is easy to navigate, allowing users to set desired humidity levels and view real-time readings. The design of the electric air dehumidifier is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Its compact size allows it to fit seamlessly into various settings, while the modern design prevents it from being an eyesore in your home. The unit operates quietly, making it suitable for use in living spaces without causing disruption. Setup and maintenance of the dehumidifier are straightforward. It comes with a large water tank that can hold up to 1.8 gallons, making it less cumbersome to empty frequently. For those who prefer a hands-off approach, the unit can be connected to a drain hose for continuous drainage, eliminating the need for manual intervention altogether. Performance-wise, the electric air dehumidifier excels in removing moisture from the air, significantly reducing the chances of mold, mildew, and other moisture-related issues. Users have reported noticeable improvements in air quality and comfort levels shortly after using the device. Overall, the Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is an excellent investment for anyone dealing with excessive humidity. Its combination of smart technology, efficient moisture removal, and user-friendly features make it a top choice for maintaining a dry and comfortable indoor environment. This dehumidifier not only meets but often exceeds expectations, making it a must-have for moisture management.